Talk about weather. So today the sun was out. It wasn't as wet, but it was actually a cold day.
It was a chilly day out there. Yeah, things have been a little bit cooler, and that's what's happening right now. We've had drier air move in from Canada. It's cooler.
It's cold,
but it's keeping the rain out of here. So we've eliminated the rain, but we just had that cold air out there. I think everyone was probably bundled inside with their families enjoying Christmas for today. Temperatures right now, though, or temperatures for today's highs were in the 40s, lower 40s, 43 degrees today in Portland. It was warmer through the gorge there. The Dalles at 46, Baker City 20 degrees, Burns 21, along the coast at 47, and Newport at 46 degrees. It's been pretty warm for most of the month of December, but it was also wet, and things are starting to dry on up, and we're finally starting to see our departure from our average a little bit cooler. So the past couple of days have been on the colder side, but they've also been some of our drier days here for the month of December. Satellite radar through the last couple of hours, some remnants of some moisture kind of hanging around, trying to cause a little bit of a fuss. But if anything, maybe just some flurries or some light snow through the Cascades and a couple showers running off the coast. But that's about all we should be seeing for the next couple of hours. Matter of fact, by the time we get into tomorrow, this will be all dried on up, and it should be a nice, pretty sunny day. But, you know, the rain has left its mark today. We had 1/100th of an inch of precipitation. That's barely nothing. It happened at about 4 o'clock in the morning when everyone was sleeping, but it was enough to be measurable. So that was our 25th day in a row that we have had some sort of precipitation. That's bringing our mark at 14 and a little over 14.5 inches for December, which is the wettest month on record here, according to the airport gauge. All right, so some of the other areas had some moisture too. Newport was, some of it was heavier. The rest of us, though, pretty much stayed on the drier side, and that's going to continue as we go into tomorrow. What we have going on outside right now is still a little bit of low-level moisture in the form of some fog, so if you're heading out, be prepared for some of that all the way into tomorrow morning, too. Temperatures right now in the upper 30s. The wind is very gentle, running out of the south right around 3 miles per hour. Our next system's churning off the Pacific right now. It's developing, it is brewing. It's going to move on in as we get into late Sunday and into our Monday morning. So that means our Saturday is going to be fine. We do have some dry air in place right now. Where the low-level fog will set up tomorrow, it's going to take a couple hours to get that cleared on out. Once we get that east breeze moving in, that will knock out some of that moisture. Saturday by 5:30, it's going to be just fine. Look at that, nothing but dry sky. We start to see some signs of moisture redeveloping as we get into the overnight into Sunday, but that main wave doesn't really move on in. This is bringing it in right around 9 o'clock in the morning here through the inland on Sunday. I do believe it's going to take a little bit longer than that, but we should see that rain back in full force through our Sunday afternoon and into the evening hours. All right, so your Saturday forecast, temperatures in the 40s, mostly sunny along the coast. Some nice dry time there. East breeze running out through the I-5 corridor. Some morning fog, but it should be partly sunny by the time we get into the afternoon. Temperatures hanging in the lower 40s, 30s, and even some 20s out there come tomorrow, but mainly sunny and just a few passing clouds. We get through the Cascades and the gorge, and look at that, some sunshine for you folks too. Temperatures in the upper 30s. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We have some sunshine for our Sunday, Monday. Still have that Christmas icon out there.
So, yeah, enjoying it. I love that. And so Sunday's going to be another sunny day.
Yes.
Potentially, but still cold.
Until the rain starts to move on in, and then we start to see the rain continuing into Monday.
Back next week.
Yep.
All right, sounds good. Thanks for that. Well, still ahead on KOIN 6.